welcome to Baylis Vauxhall. Today we're viewing a Toyota Yaris 1.5 Hybrid XL. This model's covered 13,109 miles and is finished in red. It also comes with a Baylis warranty with the option to extend it to 36 months. It comes with many features including a rear spoiler with integrated LED brake lights and rear fog lights, stylish 16-inch alloy wheels, colour-coded door handles and mirrors with built-in indicators. At the front of the vehicle there are LED daytime running lights and front fog lights. As we take a look inside through the driver's door, there is contrasting grey cloth upholstery with a height adjustable driver's seat. Touchscreen infotainment system with digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity for your phone, and satellite navigation. Dual zone climate control, USB connection for your mobile device, and automatic gearbox. Drive mode select as well. Multifunction steering wheel with audio and Bluetooth controls. Cruise control, which is great for controlling your speed, and a central display in the dashboard. Electric mirrors and keyless entry. Lane departure warning. Front and rear electric windows. Inside the rear is a comfortable seating area for the rear passengers, consisting of individual headrests and ISOFIX provision on the outer rear seats. And as we try the tailgate, you'll find a spacious boot with fitted cover and 60/40 split folding rear seat. If you're interested in this vehicle, then please give us a call at Baylis Vauxhall.